AI can help us work faster, but it must be used properly. This video is about practical workplace use cases, and also the risks we must avoid. At work, AI can help with writing, summarizing, research, reports, Excel support, meeting notes, brainstorming, and customer replies. These are everyday tasks for many people, not only for technical teams. Different roles can use AI differently. HR teams can draft job descriptions and interview questions. Finance teams can summarize reports or explain variances. Marketing teams can create campaign ideas. Sales teams can prepare proposals and follow-ups. SMEs can support admin, customer service, and operations. One of the most useful areas is document work. I can help summarize long documents, rewrite text, compare information, extract key points, and create action lists. But the human still needs to decide whether the output is accurate and appropriate. AI is also useful for research and analysis. It can help you explore ideas faster and organize information. But it should speed up thinking, not replace thinking. Important facts, numbers, and sources still need to be verified. The first risk is hallucination. I can produce information that sounds correct, but is actually wrong. Always check facts, numbers, names, dates, and sources, especially when the output is used for work decisions. The second risk is data privacy. Do not paste everything into AI tools. Be careful with customer data, company secrets, contracts, financial records, personal information, and anything that your organization treats as confidential. The third risk is scams and synthetic content. AI can be used to create fake voices, fake images, fake videos, fake messages, and fake authority. So we need to become more careful with what we see, hear, and receive online. Here is a simple checklist. Clarify the task. Give useful context. Avoid sensitive data. Check the output. Keep human judgment. This is the difference between casual AI use and responsible workplace AI use. Learn AI for work, not just AI for fun. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. Visit the AIHQ.net/shop to choose your learning path.